About her career and everything. PVL is Cherry Tigo's very own Jen Nierva. Hello, how are you?
All alone on the couch?
Yeah.
I know, right?
Solong-solo.
We have so much space here. Baka may gusto pong sumama.
I know.
You know, the last time she was here,
Yeah.
correct me if I'm wrong, was the championship.
Yes.
Diba? Puyat na puyat ka pa.
Yes, that's true.
Marami
That's
yung
true.
tulog, and it was the championship where you broke the streak and all that. That was the last time you were here. Grabe, and now look at you.
Yeah, ang bilis ng panahon.
Ang bilis ng panahon.
That's true. And actually, that brings me to our first question. Kasi let's look back at yung 2023 mo.
The year after that.
Yes,
Tama,
kasi
tama.
parang dami nangyari.
Tama.
I mean, when you look back at the totality of your 2023, how would you describe it as a benchmark sa buhay mo?
It's like a roller coaster ride. Kasi coming from the championship, diba, after 65 years, yung season 85 was like a bumpy road.
Yeah.
So, ang daming ups and downs, and ang dami talagang challenges. And also, from UAAP to PVL.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, yung transition, super bilis lang. It's like, I think, wala pang 2 weeks
Yeah.
ng rest namin. We signed the contract and we joined the Cherry Tigo's practice.
Right.
So, ang dami nangyari, but I'm so happy kasi parang nag-iba na yung I get out of my comfort zone, like,
Yeah.
which is NU. I mean, syempre, ang laking part ng NU sa akin. Pero yung paglabas ko doon, parang nakilala ko din yung sarili ko. And I'm so happy na ang dami ko rin nakilala, like sa Cherry Tigo.
Yeah.
Kung ang dami kong natutunan na it's more than just volleyball.
Nagpa-flashback tuloy sa akin lahat ng mga pangyayari. I mean, at least some of them, because obviously, na-interview pa kita on court after the
Yes.
championship, remember? And dun on air ka nag-commit to come back. Diba? Parang there was questions whether you were coming back, and then you came back, and obviously nangyari in that year. You still made the finals, obviously. And then that bilis ng pag-turn ng pro, that transition. How did you take that? And how was your first conference muna?
Yeah.
Even the year. Yung conference, kasi grabe yung transition to pro kaagad.
Yung feeling ko talaga, it's like I'm playing my first ever UAAP collegiate. Yeah,
okay.
like the excitement and also yung challenge na meron sa PVL. I know it's totally different from the collegiate level. So that time, I'm really like, yung mindset ko is not just to improve my skills, but also yung overall ko. Kasi I had an injury, my back was in pain, even my knee was in pain, and also my Achilles.
Yeah.
So it's like a recurring injuries na sabi ko, oh my gosh, parang,
Prior to turning pro?
yeah.
okay.
So sabi ko, parang hindi ko hindi ko pinagtuunan ng pansin
Yeah.
yung katawan ko nung college ako. But now na pro, Coach Luis, if kilala niya siya, talagang chinek niya muna lahat if we're good to train na.
Right.
So, nag-sit out ako for like 2 weeks sa training. So, talagang strengthening, in-improve yung conditioning ng katawan ko. And then, nung nag-training na ako and I felt na mas better yung katawan ko.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, parang ang sarap maglaro kasi wala kang nararamdaman na pain.
Right.
And-
Fresh na
Wala ka
fresh.
naiisip.
Yes.
Wala ka naiisip.
Yes. And also, parang parang, of course, there's pressure. But like, I'm just enjoying talaga yung training ko with Cherry kasi nga new environment and new teammates.
Oo, halos lahat.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
sabi ko, I'm just gonna enjoy this and give my best.
The team that you joined was siguro in a period of transition also. Medyo rebuilding sila.
Yeah.
And sabi mo nga, ang bilis ng transition mo.
Yes.
Mabilis, pero madali ba? Madali ba yung transition mo? Or was it a bit of a process rin for you? Kasi this is a team
Yeah.
that also ended up going a bit further sa PVL.
Oh, eventually.
Yeah.
No? Yung first conference, medyo struggle.
Yeah, medyo struggle. And then,
Pero yung jumping on his question, mas nakadali ba na puro mga magbabatchmates kay Hannah?
actually.
I think somehow nakatulong yung magkakabatch kami. Kasi medyo comfortable kami na sabihin yung mga kailangan i-improve, i-discuss yung gagawin namin inside the court, yung mga plans namin. So I think medyo nahihirapan lang kami dun sa mga ates kasi they're not really that vocal. Eh kami parang mga bata, very kami aggressive and very, alam mo yan, yung enthusiasm, yung energy kapag nagte-training is always there, is always present. So I think yun lang, yung energy level when we train. Tapos, syempre, di ba kapag sa college, grabe yung preparation talaga. Like, sabay-sabay kayo pupunta sa game.
Right.
Now, it's different.
Yes,
You go there alone.
Pro na pro talaga.
Yes.
Oo.
So,
Yeah.
yung preparation mo on your own. Dati sa
Kanya-kanya.
dorm kayo, pare-pares uusap muna kayo bago kayo matulog. But now, it's different. Like,
Very
you study on your own. You watch what you eat on your own. So, talagang independent ka na. So, yun yung kaibahan nung nasa pro na kami. And
Sarili mong buhay.
Yes.
Ikaw
And
na lang
talagang,
talaga. Oo.
I think talagang mag-i-improve ka if you really focus on your career. Kasi iba na to,
Yeah.
yung pro.
And it was very obvious, at the start, obviously, nag-struggle yung team. You personally struggled also. Now that we know that you had all of these injuries, it now
Yeah.
makes sense. Siyempre, we always say, di ba, maraming pinagdadaanan ng mga player na hindi alam ng mga tao. And then, things started coming together. Yung last conference, you broke a lot of streaks.
Yeah.
Meron kayong win streak on your own. You challenged all the way. So what was different in the last conference?
I think yung last conference, we were able to adjust inside the court. Yung gelling.
You played more also,
Yeah.
Yeah.
You did?
Kasi since backup ako ni Ate Buding
Right.
that time, which bago for me kasi 'di ba nung college
Main,
days
yeah,
lagi
main
ako
libero.
and even high school.
Right.
So I don't want naman na parang yung i-take over ko agad yung position niya kasi that's wrong. So
Yeah.
sabi ko, sige, go Ate Buding. I support you. I showed my support to her. And then the time na sabi ko, I'm preparing myself na if ever tatawagin ako ni coach, gusto ko talagang magpe-perform ako. But
Ready.
more than anything, I don't want really to pressure myself kasi alam ko yung nangyayari kapag yung pressure binibigay ko mismo sa sarili ko. So sabi ko, more than anything, I want to enjoy again inside the court kasi parang hindi ko yun na-feel nung 85 since parang mentally it's draining.
Right.
And also the pressure of defending the championship.
Ibang klase yun.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
So yun, nung nasa cherry ako, sabi ko, just really want to enjoy it and bring again yung Jen Yerva na, alam mo yun, yung nag-enjoy lang inside
Yeah.
the court, yung bubbly lang, yung masaya lang. So yun talaga.
Nagme-message tayo. What did I say? Welcome back! Sabi ko kay Jen, welcome back! Right?
Speaking about Joy, tell me about yung Joy playing in Iloilo. Again, yung hometown mo. Kasi, you just lit up. I mentioned Iloilo. You just lit up.
Highlight yan siguro.
Nung sinabi ko sa family ko sa Iloilo na maglalaro po kami, oh my gosh, they're all like, kailan yan? Saan yan gaganapin? Kailangan namin ng ticket. Ganito tayo lahat. Sabi ko, wait. Hold on. Parang tinanong ko kaagad kung ilang available tickets and they're all very excited. Tapos, I'm so happy kasi nagawa ng paraan. Even though nakita mo yung crowd,
Yeah.
it's insane. Even na super mainit, pero they stayed and they showed their love and support sa PVL. And then, ang saya makita yung family mo na super proud of
course,
you.
of course.
Yung presence nila, yung seeing them cheering for you. Iba talaga, ibang klase.
Iba mga Ilonggo magmahal.
Oh,
Yes.
Talaga, when they
Tama
love
yan.
their own.
Yes,
Iba talaga.
definitely.
And obviously, it was part of a successful conference for Cherry as a whole. But now we're looking forward. This must be such an exciting time for you guys
Yes.
and training. New
Yeah.
captain, a captain na
Yeah.
madaldal din.
Yes.
At natin yung nakakampi sa national team, knows you very well, knows the scene very well, and all the other additions and changes at Cherry Tigo. Give us parang a glimpse of what is to come for Cherry Tigo.
Okay, so now, during training, nag-iba na yung dynamics. May kita mo parang iba na yung vibe. Parang nag-e-enjoy lahat. We're all very happy. And then, pag may mga downtime, syempre yung mga players medyo napapagod na. Si Chang Abby talaga yung, okay, cheer tayo sa mga teammates natin. So alam mo yun, yung mga simpleng bagay na ganun, talagang nagbo-boost din sa mga players. Oo nga, hindi pwede tayong magpatalo sa pagod.
Yeah.
Kasi kailangan natin ma-overcome yung sarili natin every day para di ba, makuha natin yung goal natin. And then now, it's more organized. Alam mo yung mga simpleng bagay na gano'n na hindi mo lang ma-apply sa volleyball inside a court.
Yeah.
But you also
Sa
apply
buhay.
it
Yeah.
outside. Yung values ng pagiging Kasi sabi niya, treat tong training ground natin as like your home. So gusto mo ba magulo? Gusto mo ba
Yeah,
sense,
diba?
I understand.
So,
yeah.
yun yung tinuturo sa amin ni Chang Abi. So, alam mo yun, kapag may time na nag-iisip-isip ako, sabi ko, alam mo, grateful talaga ako na napunta siya sa amin.
Yeah.
Kasi nung nakausap ko si Chang Abi and ate Ara, I'm like, ate, bakit cherry? I mean, syempre gusto ko talaga nandito
Yes.
kayo.
Yeah.
And I'm so grateful talaga. Sabi niya, nakita ko yung fire ng mga bata, which is kami.
Yan.
Sabi niya, we're very excited na makasama kayo. And nakikita namin na maganda na kayo yung kasama namin. Kasi syempre, tumatanda na. Iba yung yung surrounded ka ng mga bata na full of energy,
For
yung
her.
enthusiasm
Tama.
sa pag-volleyball. So, natuwa naman ako na knowing na yun yung pinanggagalingan ni
Yeah.
Chang Abi. So, that also motivated me.
Yeah.
Then now, we're partners sa training, and then when we do scrimmage, nananalo kami. Like even na like we're 6 points down, talagang na-manage namin na, isipin mo ba, wala pa atang 1 month na nagta-training
yeah.
kami together, pero andun na yung connection and ang bilis ng adjustments.
So yun talaga, Pao, nakikita natin two ways talaga. Both ways nakikinabang sila. The Abby and Ara and then the youngsters of Cherry Tigo. We're excited. We both agreed. We
Yep.
were excited about that addition.
How much do we love Pinoy sports? With all our heart, all the time. Download Pilipinas Live now.